All right, some welcome warm spring weather for a change. Our high temperature today, 65 degrees in Flagstaff, 10 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday. Just a lovely day across the region. 55 our average for this time of year in Flagstaff, so we're well above average. Still 10 degrees below record type warm. 75 the record set back on this day in 1989, a little bit below average with our early morning low of 23 degrees. All right, high pressure firmly and briefly in place across much of the Intermountain West of the United States. We put this satellite into gear here. It was a mostly sunny day, but you saw the clouds starting to filter in here. This is all out ahead of a Pacific storm system taking aim at California. So really not a big deal other than we're going to see some clouds throughout the night tonight and right on through the day tomorrow. We take a look at the 24-hour satellite image out over the Pacific and watch the storm system. Very unorganized right now, but watch the 24-hour loop, and this thing becomes a very pronounced comma cloud here about to move into California. California in for another huge rain and snow event here beginning tonight and continuing through Saturday as the storm system takes aim there. But really not a lot in the works for us here in Arizona, just some of this high cloud cover you see at the southern end of this for us tonight, and then also some of these clouds out in the Pacific will continue to stream through for a partly cloudy day tomorrow. Tomorrow looks very similar temperature-wise to today, but it will be a little bit breezy as this whole stormy mess takes a little bit more of an inland track through the Intermountain West, well to the north of us here in Arizona. Saturday, we've been talking about a little cold front moving through us here in Arizona, and that will bring a very windy day on Saturday. It's a little branch at the very end of this whole system moving into California. It looks like the front is much weaker than previously thought. It will be a windy day Saturday, a little bit cooler, but precipitation chances are looking pretty scarce as there just won't be much moisture available with that storm. And it'll cool us off a little for a sunny day come Sunday, but quite a bit cooler. All right, currently outside, loop the webcam from out there in Belmont just to show some of those clouds moving in. 61 degrees right now, partly cloudy skies, winds out of the southwest at 16 miles per hour. And these clouds, we talk about it all the time. They make for a little bit more mild temperatures overnight. Remember last night we dropped down to 23 degrees? Well, we had a clear night last night. When the Earth takes all that radiation and warmth that it got all day, it's just lost the space on a clear night. But when we get on a cloudy night, we lose some of that radiation up to the clouds, and the clouds re-radiate it back down here at the surface. And even those high clouds up at 30,000 feet in the atmosphere, very efficient at keeping us insulated. Tonight's overnight low temperature, much more mild than last night, 32 degrees, and the increasing clouds equals a little bit more mild overnight temperatures. Okay, tomorrow I think we still see those clouds out there, 65 degrees, increasing afternoon breeze, winds gusting up near 40 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon, right that borderline where I call it breezy. We'll just leave breezy for tomorrow because Saturday's the downright windy day where winds will be gusting near 50. 80 degrees to round out the work week in Sedona, 75 in Payson, 79 degrees in Winslow for your Friday. And the extended forecast Saturday, windy day as that cold front approaches, maybe a light sprinkle late Saturday afternoon, not enough to rain on anybody's parade, a little bit cooler, but a mild day out there on Sunday. No wind will be beyond that.